At number 1, we have the Watts hot water recirculation system. Tired of waiting for hot water? This system delivers it in seconds, eliminating long wait times and water waste using advanced thermal bypass technology. It's a highly convenient and energy efficient solution for your entire home. The best part, it integrates easily with existing plumbing, requiring no professional tools or expertise. Plus, a programmable timer lets you customize operation to optimize energy and water use. Save up to 15,000 gallons of water annually, making it a smart, eco-friendly choice. Backed by over 140 years of innovation from Watts, this is the reliable, cost-effective upgrade your home deserves.
At number 2, we have the Watts Premier Sensor Valve. Tired of waiting for hot water and wasting gallons down the drain? There's a smarter way. Meet the Watts Premier Sensor Valve. It's the essential component for your hot water recirculation system. It automatically redirects cool water back to your heater and closes when the perfect temperature is reached. No more wasted water. Installation is a breeze. Everything you need is in the box, with no special tools required. Backed by Watts' reputation for innovative water technology, it's the reliable solution for system efficiency. Upgrade your hot water system today.
At number 3, we have the HBS 24-12 Smart Recirculating Pump. Tired of waiting for hot water? This is the upgrade your home has been waiting for. It delivers 24/7 instant hot water with a smart thermostat that adapts to your needs. The variable frequency motor cuts energy costs by up to 10%, saving you money. For your health, it features a lead-free brass body that's NSF certified for safe drinking water. And with optional remote control, you can have hot water ready before you even get to the faucet. HBS 24-12. Smart, safe, and efficient. Upgrade your home today.
At number 4, we have the HBS 2412E Smart Recirculating Pump. This upgraded user-friendly pump is NSF certified, guaranteeing high standards in performance and health safety for your household. It offers 3 operating modes: Smart, Energy Saving, and Manual, and remembers your last setting for ultimate ease of use. With a high flow rate and strong lift capability, it delivers hot water quickly, designed for optimal performance when installed under the furthest faucet. A built-in check valve and dual sensors prevent freezing, while its quiet motor and maintenance-free design make it a joy to own. Upgrade your home with the HBS 2412E for instant hot water and effortless efficiency.
At number 5, we have the UT1 Recirculation Pump. Tired of waiting for hot water and wasting gallons down the drain? This is the ultimate solution for instant hot water at every faucet. It works by recirculating hot water so it's always ready when you need it. No more waiting, no more waste. The best part? It's a quick and easy DIY install. Everything you need is in the box and no professional plumber is required. Set it and forget it. The built-in timer and thermostat work automatically, saving you water and energy, which means lower bills. Upgrade your home with the APCOM UT1 Recirculation Pump and enjoy instant hot water and peace of mind. Click the link to learn more.